Any humans around? Hi there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am here bright and early in my kitchen. I have Jamie on the phone and hopefully in the audience soon. Okay, it's filling up. We've got 3 people. Yes, 8 people. 17 people. Come on in, humans. Hi, Jamie, how are you?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning to you. I'm sorry to make you start work an hour early today.
That's all right, I've got my Bright Boost.
Yes, and I do too in front of me. This morning I am here. Let me say hello to some people that are here. We have, hi Dawn, hi Amanda. There's someone named CJ, Jackie. Jamie, you're in there, right?
I'm here, saying hi to everybody.
Rich. Is there really a Rich here? There's so few men. If there's a Rich here, I am like super excited. Hi, Rich! Okay, we have a couple, like 150 people. So here's the story. This morning I am here because I'm very excited about showing you a new recipe for this fantastic drink mix, which I'm going to show you the recipe and talk a lot about this. So this is Hungry Girl, your daily Bright Boost. Do you know what this is, people? This is an energy drink that is loaded with vitamins and collagen. It gives you energy. It is good for your hair and skin and nails because of the collagen. It also has some caffeine. It's the amount of caffeine as a cup of coffee. So it's not like so much caffeine, but it's a little bit of caffeine. It's a great replacement for a one-a-day, like daily multivitamin, which I know I used to forget to take all the time. Jamie, were you the same way?
Same, and now I never forget.
I never forget because I have this drink. So just to give you a little backstory, we're doing a recipe today, but we're using this product. How many of you are familiar with this product and have tried it, and how many of you have not tried it? I'm very curious because it's been out for a while now. When did it come out? April?
Yeah, I'm seeing people in the audience saying they're drinking theirs right now.
Good, I'm glad you're drinking it. I'm gonna give you a recipe idea, but I'm also gonna be giving out samples today. So I'm giving out a few prizes. First thing, of course, if you're familiar with my lives, just because it's the morning doesn't mean that I'm not giving out artwork. Sip the Bright thing, that's today. This is a signed original by me. And in addition, I'm giving out samples of this product. So 5 people in the audience will win 2 of these packets from my personal stash. Kind of my personal stash, right? So if you haven't tried it and you're like, hey, I don't wanna like buy it just yet, maybe you'll win a sample, but I do think there's actually no risk because if you do buy this product, first of all, it's 20% off right now. There's like an extended Black Friday sale, so the deals are great. But also, if you don't like it, you can get your money back, like full money back guarantee, right, Jamie?
Yeah, 30 days.
30 days. You could try it like and drink it a few days and say, hey, but you will like it. So I want to tell you a little bit about what this is and why I developed it. So the deal is I love to drink something that energizes me in the morning. Over the years, I've had different things that I would drink. E-Boost is something that I started drinking several years ago. And that is a product put out by these guys who partnered with me to make this Bright Boost. And I loved the product so much. It gave me vitamins and energy. I felt very clear-headed when I was drinking it. So I said, hey, why don't we develop something together that has a little bit of a different flavor profile, a flavor that I like a little more, and add collagen to get that beauty element in because collagen is so important right now. A lot of people are taking collagen and separate scoops of collagen. This contains your exact amount of collagen that is great for you in a day, and it's very good collagen as well. So we have that. So this is a functional drink. It's a functional beverage, but it also tastes delicious. That's the thing. Jamie, do you love the way this tastes?
Love, love, love.
I love it. It's like citrus. It's mostly orange with like a hint of tropical mango. And it tastes really good, but I love to doctor it up. I'm gonna tell you, today I have a recipe. I'm using my blender. I'm gonna make something that's a little cold. It's got some frozen berries in it. It's a strawberry sunshine power boost. But normally when I drink this, I put a little meta in for fiber, so that's meta. Today I'm getting the fiber from the strawberries, so there's like 2.5 grams of fiber in that amount of strawberries. And usually I'll add a little of this, like a splash of this V8 energy, but you can doctor it up any way you like. Again, it's up to you. For me, I like to experiment, and this recipe today, it is so incredibly delicious. Jamie, have you tried this recipe yet?
No, but I have all the ingredients. I'm going to make it after this.
You really should. All right, so first of all, anyone have any questions about anything right now? Are you seeing anything coming in where...
So we had, some people are asking about the discount code, and there's actually no code needed. It's already 20% off if you go to hungry-girl.com/boost.
Okay, hungry-girl.com/boost. You do not need a code. It's automatically 20% off. By the way, this product is all natural. It is sweet. It's sweetened with stevia. So there's less than 1 carb, 20 calories. The stats are amazing. The drink I'm making today has some fiber. It has a little bit of protein. The protein comes from this. The drink I'm going to make today has 2 points on all of the Weight Watchers plans. And before I jump in, any other questions about this fantastic product?
Yes. How many calories and points are in the packet alone?
0 points, 20 calories. So it's sweetened with stevia, as I had mentioned, but that's what helps keep the calorie count down, and it is my essential morning drink. I drink this every single morning without fail. So I'm gonna show you things you can do with it and ways you can use it. And this is a recipe that I created maybe like a week or so ago, and I'm so happy with it that I've been drinking it a lot. I actually had it yesterday. So first we're gonna start with the packet, and Jamie, feel free to ask me any questions along the way.
Can you tell people a little bit more about the flavor?
Yeah, the flavor is a citrusy, sort of tart and sweet orange with a hint of mango. So it's sort of like a tropical orange delight, for lack of a better way to describe it.
That was a great way to describe it.
Yes. All right, so in this glass, we put this is a very sweet product. I'm not telling you it's not, but it's also tart, and we're gonna be adding frozen strawberries, and those are very tart. So I'm gonna add sweetener. Today I'm using Swerve. You could also use Truvia, but I'm using a 0-calorie sweetener in my glass. There it is. Do we have people out there that already drink this?
Yes, we do. We have a lot of people here saying that they subscribe to this, or subscribe and save.
Oh, good. Well, that is a great way to save. So now in this glass, I'm going to put one cup, that's 8 ounces of cold water. And the reason why I'm not putting this directly into my blender and that I want to mix it first is because it gets, I feel like a mad scientist. It's effervescent, so it's a little foamy and it's a little fizzy, which is fine if you want to drink it that way. But today in the recipe, we're not utilizing the effervescence. So I like to mix it and get that foam down. See it? It's settling nicely. It's a pretty color too. And it smells orangey.
Someone's asking, do you drink it in the morning? Can you have it in the afternoon?
You can drink this whenever you need the little pick-me-up. I drink it in the morning. Like if I typically go about 12 hours without food before drinking this. I usually go 15 hours without food altogether, but I will drink this to sort of break my fast in the morning when I wake up. But drink it whenever you want, and you can have 2 a day. I have been known to have 2 a day. Have you ever had 2 a day?
I have, and actually another question, someone's asking, can they drink coffee in the morning and still drink the Bright Boost? And that's what I do. I have my coffee first thing in the morning and Bright Boost mid-afternoon.
I have done that as well. I have had coffee and Bright Boost because this Bright Boost has as much as 1 cup. A lot of people drink 2 cups, 3 cups of coffee in the morning, so it's totally fine to do that. I'm going to ask a trivia question. If you want to win a sample, all right, if you want to win a sample, you have to share. But if you want to win the artwork, you could just answer the trivia question. The question is, are you ready? I did give you this answer before, but see if you remember it. What is your daily Bright Boost sweetened with? What is the sweetener used in your daily Bright Boost? Just seeing if you're paying attention out there. All right, now I'm going to do the fun blending part. This, in this glass, just to recap, is 1 packet of your daily Bright Boost and 1 sweetener and 8 ounces of cold water going into my NutriBullet, which is my blender of choice today. So I'm gonna add berries. I think it's easiest to buy these frozen already. You could just buy strawberries if they're in season by you and freeze them, but these are sliced strawberries. And for this recipe, we need 3/4 of a cup. You can thaw them slightly if you think your blender is going to have trouble chopping them up. Mine isn't, but so I have frozen 3/4 of a cup of my berries. And then just a little bit of ice. You don't need a whole lot of ice. This is a 1/2 cup. I'm using crushed ice, so it's about 4 cubes. And
I have some great questions coming in.
okay, I'm ready to answer and blend.
Okay, is it, somebody's asking, is it good for immunity? Does it give your immunity a boost?
Yes, it's great for immunity. I mean, it's got, because wait, it has zinc, which zinc is like huge for that. Tons of vitamin C, which is really important right now. By the way, strawberries are also loaded with vitamin C. So this is a very high-powered vitamin C drink. And again, it gives you like 100% of so many of the vitamins you need. I'm gonna blend now. Hopefully you can hear me while I blend. Hold on, do you wanna see it? I bet you do. When I blend?
Barely.
Okay. So the texture of this is not going to be like a slushy. It's more of a very cold, fruity beverage. So it's not too icy. It's very drinkable.
Somebody here says that she makes a version of what you're making, but with mango.
Oh, that's great. Frozen mango is amazing, and I've used frozen mango in this because it gives us like such a nice creamy texture. Frozen mango in blended beverages, top notch. So maybe I'll make a mango recipe next. All right, we're gonna try this. This has 64 calories, by the way. Very, very low. It is so delicious. This, you can't make this and not smile. I have to say, it just brightens up your face. It brightens everything. By the way, so does the collagen. It'll brighten up your skin. My nails, they've never grown. Look how long my nails are. Are your nails growing super fast, Jamie?
Yeah, it was the first thing I noticed from the collagen. They're growing faster and they're so much stronger, like they don't break.
Yeah, my nails are strong. My hair grows, but you know, my hair has always grown a lot. And I notice a difference in my skin. I have to say, I love this product and I love this recipe. Does anyone have questions about what I put in here?
Why don't you recap?
Okay, I forgot. No, just kidding. So in here is just 1 packet of your Daily Bright Boost with 1 sweetener. If you want it even sweeter, you can add more. You could add another sweetener, but I love the tartness. There's a cup of water, a 1/2 cup of ice, and 3/4 of a cup of sliced frozen strawberries. So that's all you need. It's the perfect size. How many ounces is this glass? I think 20. Is this glass 20? 20 or 24? It's great.
We've got some more questions coming in. One is some people that are just coming in. They said, can you recap what your Daily Bright Boost is?
Okay, I'm gonna recap this product. And again, remind you that if you share this video, you could win. 5 people are gonna win free samples. So share this video with your friends, tell them to check it out, or just share it and you will win this. But this is your Daily Bright Boost. This is a Hungry Girl product that I made in conjunction with my friends at eBoost. eBoost makes a whole bunch of products. They have ready-to-drink energy drinks. They've got super powders. I was such a fan of their super powder that I was like, hey, why don't we create one together where we add some collagen to give a little beauty bump to the product. So this is essentially their super powder, making it a super duper powder by adding the collagen, which gives you beauty, energy, tons of vitamins. I don't take a daily vitamin. I used to take a multivitamin when I remembered. A lot of us forget to take that. I was one that used to forget all the time. So this is loaded with vitamins. It has zinc. It gives you energy. It helps me think more clearly. I mean, I wouldn't be able to remember half the facts that I just rattled off to you had I not been drinking this every single day. And now it's available for 20% off. I feel like such a commercial, but you can get this. You can go to hungry-girl.com/bright. And it is right there. I'm sure it's on our homepage as well. And when you get to the site, it's 20% off until when? Friday?
Yes, until Friday.
Okay.
Couple more questions. If people don't want to make a blended drink, what's like, if they just want to have the packet of it, what's the best way to just drink it straight?
Okay, that is an excellent question. I want to tell you, we have heard from people who see this and they think like emergency, or they think it's like a product that they have to just throw a little bit of water in and guzzle it and drink it really quickly and it's supposed to taste bad. The bottom line is that's not the case. You can do that, but if you do that, I don't recommend it because I enjoy this so much by doctoring it up a tiny bit that it is like one of the best parts of my day. So I put this in about 8 ounces of water, tons and tons of ice, and I usually add a little bit of Meta, like fiber powder, and a splash of this, like an ounce of V8 Peach Mango Energy. You can add a little bit of lemon juice, like a squeeze of lemon, anything. You should play around with it because even though it's a functional beverage and it's not supposed to taste like, you know, Crystal Light or like a sort of sugar-free drink mix packet, you can make it taste just as good, if not better, as any of those things with a little bit of love. And you might even like it straight out of the packet. I would just say drink it super cold. I add a lot of ice and the right amount of water. You can experiment with the amount of water that you use also, because that I found makes a really big difference. How do you drink it, Jamie?
I do tons and tons of crushed ice, water, and then I just keep adding water until it hits my like good, you know, level. But honestly, you know what? The first couple times I had it, I didn't love it. And then it like grows on you. The more you drink it, it just, I don't know.
The more you drink it, you
like,
become
can't go
addicted.
without it.
I can't go without it. Sometimes, as I said, I have 2 a day. I freaking love this. If you want to win a sample of this, 5 people today are getting samples just by sharing the video. Did anybody answer my trivia question that I had given the answer to?
Lots of people got it right.
Okay, it's sweetened with stevia. How much caffeine is in it? You want to guess? I told you, but you can try to guess. That's another trivia question that will make you eligible to win this beautiful piece of art. But again, if you want to get free samples, share this video with friends. The more you share, the more likely you will to win a sample, because we're giving out 5 samples of 2 packets. Okay. Yes, Jamie, thank you for letting everyone know. 0 sugar, less than 1 carb. And you are all right. It has the amount of caffeine as 1 cup of coffee. So good job. All right, any other questions from you guys? Because like I'm gonna just finish this and go about my day. I like being live in the morning. It's kind of fun. Are you guys like, who's here and it's bright and early versus the East Coast? Are most of you on the West Coast or the East Coast? Let me know. And where are you from? Reveal yourselves. Okay. They're still answering the question. Any other questions?
There's lots of love coming in. People really love it. And, you know, people that were asking about if they didn't win samples today, how can they try it, you know, no risk?
I mean, you can just try it by ordering it. You can get it 20% off. Here's what I would do. I would not take a chance. I would just order it at 20% off before Friday. If you are not a fan, you can just get your money back. Like, honestly, get your money, or send it directly to me because I'll drink it and then I'll send you some Hungry Girl books. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding. If you send me, I'll send you 2 books. I'll give you twice your value in the thing for this because I will just drink them. And I just ordered 2 boxes of these yesterday at 20% off. I know everyone's like, why are you ordering your own drink mix? But I do. I actually ordered it just like I order the books on Amazon. I am my own #1 supporter.
I never want to run out, so I always order more than I need.
Right. Same with me, but I'm down to my last like 15 packets. So, are we good?
We're good. This was great, Lisa.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jamie, for your help. I am so glad that you're here and that you're such a fan like I am. And I hope you guys try this and let us know what you think if you do. Okay? All right. Remember, hungry-girl.com/bright. And where's the recipe? Is it going to be /live?
Yep.
Okay. The recipe will be at hungry-girl.com/live. You will find that, but you should order this guy because you can't make the drink without this. All right, I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.